Hello, hello.
Come on!
Hey, what happened?
Wow.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Bye.
Oh yeah!
Amazing!
Oh, hello! Yay!
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
Whee! Let's go, let's go! Here I go!
Stop!
Yeah, boy.
Yahoo! Say what?
Huh?
Hey! Uh-huh.
Go, go, go!
Okay.
I got an idea! Whoa!
Thank you very much.
Okay. Come on, come on!
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Uh-huh.
Yeah!
Oh, yes!
Nice. Too easy. Piece of cake.
Okay, let's go! Nice, nice! Okay. Here we go! Bye, have a great time! Oh, hello!
Wow! Congratulations!
Hello, Chuck. Now you're jumping for me just like I like.
Hey, what happened?
Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz?
Yahoo!
Huh?
Uh-oh.
It's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone.
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Hooray! Question mark? Hey, what happened?
I got an idea!
Nice, nice! Okay, let's go!
Haha, you're a great team. Oh yeah!
Uh-huh. Right.
Hey, it's me, Goku.
Okay. Nice, nice!
What a beautiful chunk. Come here. I have it.
Very good.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Whoa, amazing!
Come on!
Wow! Congratulations!
Bye. Too easy. Piece of cake.
Respond to a 1017 in South.
Come on, man. Yes, you. I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Bror, niemand boeit!
Aha! Oh yeah!
Let's go, let's go!
Hooray! Question mark? Thanks, Pally.
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time.
I am ready to put on a show! Here I
Whoa, amazing!
My God, are you still talking?
Hey, what happened?
go!
answer to.
Oh no!
We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge! We're in trouble now.
Wow.
Sunshine, good morning! Okay!
Go, go, go!
やれば愛情おいしく料理してやるぜいっぱいおいしくしてやるぜ
Oh yes! Bye-bye! Okay.
Good job.
Here we go.
Wow! Congratulations!
Okay, let's go.
Go, go, go!
Going to Kansas Kids today. I'm looking for the chump flubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some money. Bye.
Okay.
Good job! Amazing!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
$30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye. Have a great time.
Wow! Congratulations!
Yes, you. I know you have Liz, but I want you to release her.
Bror, niemand boeit! Oh, hello, chubby boy. Now you're chubby and bubby just like I like. Open up and say, perfect landing.
Uh-oh. You're a great team.
Yahoo!
Whoa, amazing! Hey, what happened?
I got an idea.
Oh, hello! Yaha!
Hooray! Question mark?
Okay, let's go.
Bror, niemand boeit!
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir!
Come on, man.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Eisen, Eisen!
Hey, it's me, Goku. Thanks, Pally. Very good.
Okay.
Aha!
Wow! Congratulations!
Right, yeah.
Yahoo!
Very good. Come on, step it up.
Hooray! Question mark?
It's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone.
Bye.
Here we go.
Yeah!
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have
Bye. Have a great time.
We're in trouble now.
トゥットゥルー
Oh, hello. Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
I got an idea. Here we go.
Thanks, Pally.
Come on.
Okay, okay.
Here I go. Here we go. Bye. Have a great time. Aha!
I am ready to put on a show.
Hooray! Hooray!
Here I go!
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge. I am ready to put on a show. Hello.
Come on! Mario's gonna be something pretty illegal.
Say what?
Bruh.
Here we go!
Yes.
Easy.
Nice. Nice.
Oh!
Whoa!
Sugoi!
Going to kill some kids today. Looking for the jump clubby ones. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Ho ho! Here I go! Whoa! Amazing! Here we go! Bye, have a great time.
Whoa, amazing!
Hello, chubby boy. Now you're chubby, clubby, just like I like it.
Hi, you're a great team.
Yeah!
Stop the cow.
Better another day.
Hey, what happened?
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How could you not tell me that Rod and my sister? We're not friends anymore?
Uh-oh.
No way! You and I are not friends anymore. Nope.
Ah! Hooray! Question mark? Nicer. Yahoo!
I got an idea.
Too easy. Piece of cake. Come on, step it up.
Bye.
Oh no.
Going to find these chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bror, niemand boeit.
Wow! Congratulations!
Beautiful, Katie. I love it.
Okay.
Come on, man.
Thanks, Pally.
Let's go. Bye, have a great time.
Bror, niemand boeit.
Oh, yes. You tell me, sweet little boy.
Hey, what happened?
Uh-oh.
Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz?
Nicer.
You're a great team. Oh yeah!
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Oh, I took $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have a gift for you. That's right. Come. Oh, hello, chubby boy.
Okay, let's go.
Yummy in my tummy.
Come on.
Hi, you're a great team.
Nicer.
Oh yeah!
Bye.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, you! I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Okay.
Right.
Get in here, you little.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nicer, nicer.
I have $30,000 in credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
Hello, cutie pie.
Very good. Nope.
Hello, children. Now you're jumping, fluffy, just like I like.
Hey, what happened?
Yes, you. I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her. Better another. Jay, is that you? What happened?
Uh-oh.
You're a great team. I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. Why did you not tell me that Rod had my sister? We're not friends anymore? Oh, pretty please. No, I know it's you.
I got an idea.
No way. You and I are not friends anymore. Oh, yeah!
Okay.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nicer, nicer.
Congratulations! 피기에 오케이.
Okay, let's go.
Hooray! Question mark? Aw, man.
Bror, niemand point.
Bye.
Here we go! Yeah! I like that. He's here. Come on!
Let's go, let's go!
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello, children. Now you're jumping, fluffy, just like I like.
Bror, niemand point. Come on.
You're a great team. Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz?
Let's go, let's go!
Okay.
Yes, you. I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Beautiful, Katie.
Oh, yeah!
Whoa, amazing.
That's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone.
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun. Oh, what a beautiful child.
Uh-oh.
I got an idea.
Very good.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nicer, nicer.
Here we go!
Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Goody, he's here.
Bye.
Come on, man.
Okay.
Open up and say
Bye, have a great time.
hello.
Let's go, let's go!
I am ready to put on a show.
Hello, Ed boys. Many doors, yeah? Too much or
like yourself.
Hello, cutie pie.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Yahoo! Here I go!
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump.
Yay!
Hey, hey, hey!
Nope.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Go, go, go!
Okay, let's go!
Yay, yay!
Wow! Congratulations!
Thank you very much.
Whoa! Amazing!
Yay, yay!
Okay, let's go!
Bye, have a great time.
Here we go! Goodbye.